Hello, and in this tutorial we'll show you how to create your very first app using PSPDFKit for Windows SDK. We'll create a very simple PDF viewer. First we'll start Visual Studio, and we want to create a new project, a blank app, a universal UWP app. Let's call it Simple PDF Viewer. And we want to set our minimum version to Fall Creators Update. Now that Visual Studio has created our sample project, we need to somehow reference the NuGet package. So the first thing we have to do is, let's close the solution first. Now, previously we unzipped the SDK into a directory, and inside is the NuGet directory containing the package. Let's just copy the whole directory and put it in beside our solution. So in there is the NuGet package. But we also have to tell Visual Studio where to find that. We can again use the NuGet config file from our catalog example. Let's copy that and let's put it beside our solution file. And let's open Visual Studio again and open our solution. Now let's have a look inside the NuGet config file. What exactly is in there? What's in there is a key name for the package source called PSPDFKit source. This can be whatever you want, but that's a good name. And instead of going back one directory, we do need to change that to say it's right beside the directory NuGet is right beside the config file. So I changed that. Let's close the solution again. Visual Studio only updates it when you load the solution. So now the Visual Studio should know where to find that package. Let's open our references. We can see we don't have a reference to PSPDFKit yet. So let's manage NuGet packages. Package source, you'll see there's a new source here, PSPDFKit source, that's from the config file. If we browse it, we'll see PSPDFKit UWP. Let's install it, accept the license. Let's just make sure we can build and run the application before we go further. So that builds. Let's run it. Deployment is complete. And we know the application can run without any major problems. Still doesn't do anything. So next we need to add a license. So let's add that into our app XML. You'll have received a trial license key. Let's open that. The trial license key is actually a long string. I've already prepared this little piece of XAML to contain it. But as you can see, the license key is actually there inside this string, and I've named it PSPDFKit license. So let's put that into our app XML. Save that. So now we have our license string referenceable as a resource under that name. We'll close app.xml, open our main page. I'm going to close this error list here. In the grid, let's make this a little bit bigger. We're going to add the PDF view. Visual Studio should give us a hint that we need to add this namespace, PSPDFKit.ui. And there we have that. We need to give it tell it where to find the license. It's a static resource, and it's called PSPDFKit license. Let's give it a name. My PDF view. And we want to open a PDF and see it. So there are a few ways to do this. First way we'll do it is with PDF URI source. Now we can give it a URI source. We don't actually have one yet, but what we should do is put one into assets. So I have one on the desktop. I'm going to put it into the assets folder of our project. So there we have a PDF. Now we need to add existing item. There's the PDF. And we have to make sure to say that it's content in the build action so that it gets packaged up with the application. So now we should be able to reference that here. So our PDF, oh, typo, fix that. PDF URI source. Let's rebuild everything. And run our solution. And sure enough, the PDF view, let's make that a bit smaller, is showing our PDF from the assets. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to open a file and select it from your documents folder and display it in the PDF view. Thank you.